Good morning, guys. As you know, I'm in this kampung Cimarinjung. Yeah, I live in here for a month, so it's my second day. Yeah, it's my second day. Yesterday I go to Curug Cimarinjung. This one, yeah, behind me, right? So for today I'm going to Curug Nilemput. Yeah, here my tetangga right and give me that curug. Here is 12 curug around this area, which he knows, and some say there is 17. So I want to explore all of them. Jadi kemarin udah ini, sekarang hari ini saya mau cari di Google Curug Nilemput, ya. So stay with me. As you know, it's a really Labuan Ratu and sekitar area na, it's really amazing place. It's really beautiful. Kalian akan enjoy dari video ini. What he said, I don't know. Anyway, okay. So stay with me. We will go to Curug Nilemput. Yeah. It's really hard to find it, but it's okay. I found it here. On the top of this hill, here was the Curug here. Up here and here they say ada di bawah ini ada Curug Dogdog. Yeah. So Curug Nilemput, leave it. Now I'm going to Curug Dogdog. Yeah. How beautiful way is this? Oh. Can you see that? Curug Dogdog. Okay, guys. How is this view? Kalau ini curug apa?
Curug Dogdog.
Dogdog.
Ya, kalau Curug Cimarinjung di bawahnya.
Dinas Bina sama Marga. Dinas Marga sama Dinas Bina Marga. Okay, next. Jambatan Cimarinjung P20ML .6M. I already saw itu, orang bilang curug Cibimbing, tapi orang lain bilang ini curug ke apa namanya lupa. Tapi ini jalan lihat di sana. How dangerous way. It's not dangerous, it's so I don't know how to say. It's really in the top of this hill road. And here also I'm going to find curug. Come here to the area. I was looking for DOGDOG. She sent me there. I asked someone. Aku tanya orang, dia bilang ada di sini di bawah DOGDOG. Tapi pas aku masuk ini kelihatan parkir area, ini musalahnya, dan ini parkir areanya. Tapi bernama curug gak bisa lihat saya di sini. Dan aku sendiri gak ada yang jaga motor, parkir motor gak ada. Cuman ada beauty of nature. Sering saya lupa matikan ini motor. Okay, it's turned off. Now I will go and find Curug Dogdog. Things right here, and then go cari. I'm really scared, guys. I'm really scared because no one is here being parkir to jaga apa aja. But it's okay. I will go. Kelihatan ini arah. Ya, so sayang nggak boleh takut, dari sini pasti ada arahnya. Wah, ini makanan ya, yang manis-manis. A lot of birds here. Burung-burung banyak. Suaranya manis sekali. Ih, ya itu guys. Oh, oh. I think this one is ini arahnya. So, I found it. But orang-orang sini bilang kalau sekarang airnya banyak, kalau musim nggak ada hujan, airnya bisa buat berenang, airnya kecil bersih banget. Sekarang kamu nggak boleh mandi katanya. I said, okay, no problem. Saya hanya mau lihat curugnya. Saya datang sama sandal jepit. Iya. Ya Allah. Wah. Right, this is the Curug Dogdog. I hope you guys like it. Bukan like buat mandi atau apa. I hope you guys suka nature of Sukabumi. Alamnya Sukabumi. That's how beautiful it is. Okay, this video will be short video. Guys, believe me, kalau airnya jernih, bukan musim hujan nih kan, semalam juga udah hujan. Kalau bukan musim hujan pasti ini bagus banget. Yeah, that's it, that much. Curug Dogdog. Next I will go and find another curugnya.